very, very well.
Bankers KCB will be aiming to return to their winning ways this Sunday when they face Muranga Seal at the SportPesa Arena in Muranga County in the SportPesa League. The Bankers, who currently sit 10th on the league table with 6 points, have recorded 2 wins in their last 5 matches and are determined to make a strong statement away from home.
Right now, I can say the confidence level is not that high because of the back-to-back losses. But the good thing is that we are really focused and trying to come up and focus on the next match. Yes, the preparations are going on very well. The coach is trying to come up with tactics to face the next opponent, and we are trying also to build from what we had the other matches, like the mistakes, try to correct the mistakes, and try to come up with a proper tactical approach to face our next opponent.
Yeah. And we lost 2 matches in a row. It's very painful, but nothing we can do now. It's behind our back. We are focusing about the coming matches. But the closest match is about Muranga. It's going to be a tough match because they have been losing. So I think that's like final game now. Every team wants to win.
Kenyan teen golf sensation Jacinta Njeri is raring to go at the forthcoming